Good afternoon. This hearing is being called to order by David Radacci, Lake County Director, Lake County Planning and Community Development. This hearing is being held in accordance with HUD guidance at Section 24 CFR 91 on the development and submission of the consolidated plan and the annual action plan. In keeping with the adopted citizen participation plan for the primary purpose for obtaining public input and hearing endorsements and or objections to the proposed CDBG and home proposed projects and activities and funding levels for fiscal year 2026. This public hearing is being recorded. The Lake County Planning and Community Development and CDBG and home federal grants programs proposed projects and activities for fiscal year 2026 were publicly advertised on July 26th. They were also posted on our Lake County Planning Community Development's Facebook page. Staff at the Lake County Planning Community Development Office are available to field questions and comments on proposed HUD FY26 projects as strategic implementation of the consolidated plan and FY26 annual action plan. With us today is Rhea Bedden, Assistant Director, Christian Blake, Community Development Assistant, and Emily Moran, Community Development Assistant. Participants wishing to comment or ask questions in this live stream meeting may do so by email to this email address, David, D-A-V-I-D, Radacci, R-A-D-A-C-H-Y, at lakecounty.ohio.gov. At this time, audience members wishing to comment on the proposed CDBG and home projects are invited to speak at this time, or an agent may speak on their behalf after stating their names, their address for the full and clear, distinct voices. For the record, the board requests that each person speak only once unless addressing a statement for the record not previously made. So anybody wishing to speak may come up to the podium and speak now.
Hello, I am Janice Silveroli, the Executive Director for Birthright Lake County, located at 7237 Industrial Park Boulevard in Mentor, Ohio. We are a nonprofit that services all of Lake County families. And I am here to thank the CDBG for your support in previous years for our diaper bank program. This has allowed us to be able to help diaper need in Lake County for over 1,000 children. I am asking with the award if there is a way to gently increase what is proposed. In our past proposals, we've received $55,000. The proposal this time that you've granted, which we're very thankful for, is $11,000. When we look at the National Diaper Bank, which has the survey they did in 2026 of diaper need in the nation, they find that 1 out of 2 families are in diaper need. 63% of families that are considered low income are in diaper need. And you can break it down. The Urban Studies did a study by county, and I have with me results for the Lake County, Ohio. And in Lake County, Ohio, it says percentage based for offering for children needs is 60% of those that are low income here in Ohio. So these are the families that are coming to Birthright. It also says that in Lake County, there is one basic needs bank. That bank is Birthright. We are the one bank. There are other organizations that will help with diapers if they're donated, but we go out and have a program. Families register with us. They come in, and these diapers are used to help them to work. Families need to have diapers to take to daycare, or their children cannot go to daycare. And as you see in the National Diaper Bank study, that is another circling difficulty for low-income families. If they do not have the diapers, they can't take their child to daycare. If they can't take the child to daycare, they can't go to work. And then you have this cycle of unemployment or less income because most of them are hourly wage. So by providing simple facts of supplemental diapers, not all their diapers, we supplement diapers. We follow the National Diaper Bank of 50 diapers per month to supplement, to help them to make their work goals and their health goals for these children, so that the children can be healthy and not have to go to the doctors as much. This makes for a better community in Lake County. You have more families going to work, you have healthier children, which we know makes the whole family. And families that have come to us have also said that it reduces stress in their life. When they do not have to worry at a store, since there is no government aid for diapers and wipes, that they don't have to choose between food for their children and diapers for their children. With our study we've done with families, 90% said that we reduce stress in their life by helping give this support. And these moms are very, very grateful to the community and to the families. So if there is a way to increase to the level of what we had received from CDBG for, we would be very grateful. We will continue to assist these families to the best of our needs and the best of our donations, since we are a 100% donation-based organization with no government funding ourselves either. So we appreciate the support of the community, the support of the CDBG, and just request if you were able in the support for these families to increase the amount. Thank you for your time.
Anybody else wishing to speak? The board will now receive any written comments on the proposed CDBG and home projects and activities. We don't have any, do we?
So this is for if there's any additional written comments to be submitted today during the hearing.
Okay. The Board of Lake County Commissioners has not made a final decision on the proposed CDBG and home projects and activities at this time. Will take in consideration public comment in both written and verbal. Additional written comments, endorsements, and/or objections may be addressed to Mr. David Radachy, R-A-D-A-C-H-Y, Director, Lake County Planning Community Development, 105 Main Street, Office 401B, Painesville, Ohio, 44077, or by email to David, D-A-V-I-D, Radachy, R-A-D-A-C-H-Y, at lakecounty.ohio.gov until 4 p.m. on Thursday, August the 6th. If we do not have any additional comments, we are going to adjourn this public hearing.
Dave, if I could, just to explain our process a little further, we did advertise on July 6, 2026, that our public comment period had opened at that time, and it will remain open through August 6, 2026. Any written comments that are received during that 30-day public comment period will be considered and also will be incorporated into our annual action plan that will be submitted to HUD by August 16th. Once that plan is submitted to HUD, they will review that plan, approve the plan, and then towards the end of the calendar year, commissioners will complete legislation to approve the subrecipient agreements for the approved activities. So if there are any additional comments submitted, again, we're accepting comments through August 6th.
Duly noted. Right. If there's no other comments, or we're going to